I recently did a video on leave-in conditioner and how to properly use it, and a lot of guys brought up a really good point in the comments and said, what is the difference of a leave-in conditioner as compared to a balm or a butter? When we look at brands specifically like Honest Amish, they advertise their balm as a leave-in conditioner. There's a big difference there. We have things like a leave-in conditioner or like an in-shower conditioner, and then we have things like butters and balms. They both condition, but in very different ways, and in this video it's going to be my job to try and explain that to you guys in a way that you'll appreciate and understand. So welcome on into the video. If you're new here, thanks for checking out the video. If you're returning, man, as always, I appreciate you guys. My name is DanCBearded. If you like beard stuff, consider subscribing, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Beard butter and beard conditioner are both going to condition your beard hairs. Now, they do it in a very different way, and I'm going to lead off with what I believe is the most relevant comparison of the two. So whether it is an in-shower beard conditioner or a leave-in beard conditioner, its primary job is to absorb into the beard hairs and then do a little bit of coating on the outside. A beard butter is the opposite. Its primary job is to coat and seal the hairs, lock in all the moisture that is inside the hairs and on the skin, but it will also absorb in slowly over time. An easy way to tell the difference is whether it's an in-shower or leave-in, after an hour of using it, getting out of the shower or applying the leave-in, feel your beard, you're likely not going to feel anything left. If you are using a beard butter, after an hour of using it and you feel your beard, you are still going to feel that butter, and it's just very different purposes with a little bit of crossover in between. So I'm gonna let that breathe for a second. Think about that. If you have a question on it or it doesn't make any sense, please leave a comment at any time. 2 seconds and I'll come to the next point. The next key difference in the conditioning properties between conditioner and beard butter would be the ingredients. Now, when we are looking at conditioners, they are going to be a water-based product, meaning one of the very first ingredients on a conditioner should be water. When you're looking at a beard butter, you should not find water as an ingredient here. If you do and you find a beard butter that has water listed, it is not really a beard butter. That's just mismarketing in my opinion. So with that, there's good and there's bad depending on the way you look at it. There are amazing water-based ingredients that you can find in a conditioner that you cannot find in a butter that really has a purpose and does great for your hair. But on the flip side, with that water-based ingredients in that product, we need to have things like preservatives that often find people to leave them outside of the all-natural realm. And there are some people out there that say all natural or bust. I'm not one of those people. I believe that all natural is not always all better. It just depends on the product, the situation, and what you are looking for. If you are someone that's like, I want all natural, your better chance is going to be with a beard butter of finding that. Normally, the only time we find something that is not all natural in a beard butter is if you have a fragrance oil, which there are even natural fragrance oils, but that's a whole nother video out there. But that is a big difference. Water-based versus butter-based, but also usually some oils in there. The last comparison I'm going to make between these conditioning products would be frequency. I do not believe that you should use a conditioner as much as you are using a beard butter. Conditioners are much more intrusive and build up heavy, meaning you can overuse them and hurt your beard with the frequency. A beard butter you could use every single night and not develop any problems as long as you are washing properly. Now, a lot of people like to co-wash by using a conditioner every day, or follow a beard wash with a conditioner every day, or even use a leave-in conditioner every day, and I highly warn against that. There's a lot of people that have come to me and been like, oh man, I watched your video on over-conditioning, I've taken a breather, let it step back a little bit, and my beard has never felt better. Just kind of take a shot with me here. If you're someone that conditions every day, step away. take a day off, take a couple days off, every other day off, and see if it makes a difference. My recommendation to you when it comes to leave-in conditioner versus beard butter, go either 13 days of beard butter to 1 day of leave-in conditioner, or if you have a gray beard or you're trying to get out curls or you have some other ways that you are trying to really use that conditioner for a leave-in, go 6 days beard butter and then 1 day leave-in conditioner. Now, when it comes to the in-shower conditioner, I never recommend that for more than every other day. I believe that you need some breaks in there, some rinse days, some wash only days. I have a pretty good video out there that is titled Best Beard Wash Rotation. I'll throw it up in the corner right now if I can remember during editing. Mental note, check. Okay, I think I'll get that one there. But frequency, guys. Beard butter, you're not going to really have an issue by using this every day or extremely frequently. I do not recommend using conditioner too frequently because of the way it absorbs into the hairs and the way that it does build up on the hairs at that same time. To bring it all together, both of these product types condition your beard just very differently. It's almost like we need a different term, but it doesn't exist out there. We have conditioners, we have beard butters, and they both are great for your beard as long as you properly know how to use them. So this is the portion of the program where I'm asking you guys, do you have any questions on beard conditioners, on beard butters, anything in between there? I would be happy to try my best to help. There's a lot of subscribers and viewers that also love to chip in and help you guys out. And any thoughts on this, any experiences, drop it down below. I'm excited to read them. So thank you guys. DanCBearded, stay bearded and stay positive.